Hello and welcome to Nature Part 1. I was going to say nature walk, but we're not actually walking anywhere. Well, I'm not walking anywhere. I'm just videoing out my window, that's why we're so high up. And look, we're going to look at some sheep. Look, we're going to go look at some sheep. Bah, bah, bah. Comment down below what your favourite farm animal is. This is a shed. And if we go this way, we can see the outdoors. That's the sun. We could also, so I tried to zoom into the sun. We could also see some cars and a mountain. I don't know if my brother has a window. Oh yeah, he has a window, obviously. Sorry. But we won't be looking out that way. Okay, we will. It's basically the same thing as in my mum's room. And we have the woods as well. Zoom into the woods. Okay, bye guys.